Hello students, today we will see the next part, that is computer memory. A memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store data and instructions. Means human brain stores information inside it, right? Likewise, computer memory also stores data and instruction inside it. Computer memory is the storage space in computer where data is to be processed and instructions required for processing are stored. Means computer memory is a storage space in the computer where the data is processed according to the given instruction and then it is stored in the memory. Memory is primarily of three types, that is, first is cache memory, second is primary memory or main memory, and third is secondary memory. First we will see the cache memory. Cache memory is a very high speed semiconductor memory which can speed up the CPU. Means cache memory is a high speed memory and it increases the processing speed of the CPU. It acts as a buffer between CPU and main memory. That is, it acts as the connector between CPU and main memory. You can see in this diagram, okay, where cache memory is present here, okay. Then it acts as the buffer between CPU and main memory. Means it acts as a connector between this CPU and main memory, that is RAM, okay. Then it is used to hold those parts of data and programs which are most frequently used by CPU. Means it stores the data which is most frequently used by the CPU. The second memory is primary memory. Also it is called as main memory, okay. The primary memory is also known as main memory. It holds only those data and instruction on which computer is currently working. Means it holds the important data on which the computer works, okay. Just like it holds the operating system and it stores the operating system data, okay. Then it has limited capacity and data is lost when power is switched off. Means it has the less capacity to store the data and the data is lost when power is switched off. Means data will get lost at that time. You can see here the diagram of primary memory, okay. You can see here. The primary memory can be divided into two types. The first one is RAM. RAM means random access memory, and the second one is ROM, that is read only memory, okay. You can see here the diagram of RAM and ROM, okay. You can see here this is called as the RAM and this is called as the ROM, that is read only memory. The third memory is secondary memory. It is also known as external memory or non-volatile memory. Here non-volatile you can see here non-volatile memory means the data is not lost when power is switched off, okay. Means our data remains the safe. It is slower than main memory. Means its speed is slower than the main memory or primary memory. These are used for storing data or information permanently. Means secondary memory stores the data permanently. There is no loss of any data through the secondary memory. For example, hard disk, CD-ROM and DVD, etc. You can see here the diagram of these devices. Just like the first one is, you can see here the hard disk. Then second one you can see here it is CD-ROM or DVD, or you can see here there are different pen drive that also comes under the secondary memory. Pen drive, then card, different cards are present. These are also coming under the secondary memory. So students, today we have seen the computer memory. Okay, it has three parts, that is first is cache memory, then second one is primary or main memory, and third one is secondary memory. Okay, got it? Thank you.